Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Opportunity is calling. The opportunity will present itself at the ideal time. When you're ready, don't fight against it. Trust your source and allow his intuition to shine through, even in the darkest moments. Have faith in the inevitable and have faith that the great I Am is walking with you, guiding you, and unleashing his magic for you and humanity. So much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe the great I Am, God, the universe is always with you, always inside of you. I believe that you are part of that. I believe if you slow your vibrations down and calm yourself and look within yourself, truly look within yourself, not the ego wants, you'll always be happy. I believe that with all my heart and soul. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.